Hi guys, welcome back to Check Up YouTube channel. Before we proceed with the session for today, can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos? If you can come across this error, know that you don't have internet connection. You have to check your internet connection. So this error happens if you are trying to install Office 365. Office 365 requires internet for it to install. So first of all, you have to fix your internet. Just check if you are connected to Wi-Fi or LAN. Then you can see here, now I'm back online. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So let us try to install it again. We can close this one, then go back to the setup. I will just go under download because I downloaded it and click for it to install. Here you can see it is now loading, so we have to see. There we go. So last time it didn't even reach this stage. So as you can see, now it is installing. So it will pick up all of them, like Word, Excel, Outlook, everything. So we have to just wait for it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks. If you need to know something, you can just leave the comment at the comment section.